Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are pronouns that we use to refer to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. They are two kinds of personal pronoun, subject and object. We are going to focus on first subject pronoun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. A subject pronoun is usually comes at the beginning of the sentence and does the action in the sentence. Priya bakes a vanilla cake. Priya is a noun, or more specifically a proper noun. What should we replace Priya with? Priya is a girl, so we replace it with she. She bakes a vanilla cake. What about this sentence? My brother likes to sing. We are going to replace my brother with a pronoun. My brother is a boy, so we replace it with he. He likes to sing. Let's look at the next sentence. Kimmy and I are best friends. Let's replace Kimmy and I with a pronoun. What should we replace it with? Kimmy and I should be replaced with we. We are best friends. Are you ready for the next one? The dog looks angry. Which pronoun will you replace with the dog? The dog is an animal, so we will replace the word with the pronoun it. It. It looks angry. What if there are multiple things or people like in this sentence? Kashish and Darsh are reading books. What should we replace Kashish and Darsh with? There's more than one person as a subject, so it they. They are reading books. Then what about the pronoun I? We don't talk about ourselves by our first name, right? That would just be silly. My name is Megha, but I don't say Megha is hungry. Megha wants lunch. Megha wants a burger. Now that's just silly. So which personal pronoun do we use instead I? I am hungry. I want lunch. I want a burger. What about the pronoun you? When someone talks to you, it'd be strange for a person to say your name over and over again. So that person will replace your name with the pronoun you. You are watching this video right now. Now let's do some more examples of personal pronoun. Rahul is a boy. Rahul likes to sing. Rahul won many singing competitions. How can we make these sentences flow more naturally using pronouns? We are going to replace all the Rahuls with pronouns except for the first one because we need to know who are talking about. So here we go. Rahul is a boy. He likes to sing. He won many singing competitions. Wow, that sounded so much natural. Now let's focus on another type of personal pronoun, object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. An object pronoun is the receiver of the action. Miss Ria gave Rahul a gift. Who is the receiver of the action? Rahul. So let's go ahead and replace Rahul with one of the object pronoun. Rahul is a boy, so it's him. Miss Ria gave him a gift. Shall we look some more examples? I help Pinky plant a tree. Pinky is a girl. So we are going to replace with the pronoun her. Her, that's right. I helped her plant a tree. What about this one? Please ask your friends not to make noise. Let's replace your friends with a pronoun. Now, friends means there are more than one. So, which pronoun should we choose? That's right, them. Please ask them not to make noise. Uncle Brajesh made me and my friends laugh by cracking jokes. Can you replace me and my friends with the pronoun? Us is the correct answer. Good job. Uncle Brajesh made us laugh by cracking jokes. I hope this video help you to understand personal pronouns. Now, can you guess the pronoun in the following sentence and write your answers in the comment box. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.